Hey there, FanBam. Today we're going to go over a few savings challenges that are heart themed, Halloween. What am I talking about? Valentine's themed. And so I will go over these once I'm done. But today I'm going to use my Betty Boop cards to determine where I'm going to put the money. And I have Ace through 6. Ace will be 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whatever I flip over, that's the challenge that's going to get money. I'm going to put $2 bill or 2 bills in each one, and then we'll count it up at the end to see how much we have saved. So let's go ahead and count the money and see how much we're working with. I hope you're having a great day, and I appreciate you gifting me with your time. So here we go. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 7, 9, 81, 3, 5, 7, 9, 91. Yeah, 93, 95, 97, 99, 201. Oh my gosh, did I do that right? Let me start over. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 3, 5, 7, 99. Oh my gosh, you guys, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83, 85, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99, 101, 103, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 145. Oh my gosh, that took everything out of me to count. So let me just kind of put some of these bigger bills in the middle of these 2s and 1s. How's everyone doing? How was everyone's Valentine's Day? I know it's been a while. It's been over a week already, but I'm really behind in my videos. So let me know how y'all had it, or how your Valentine's was. Did you stay in? Did you do anything? Go out, have dinner, get any gifts, spend time with your loved ones? Let me know. Okay, so here's the money, here's the cards, and I'm gonna flip it over and we'll start with this one, and this one is a 2. So this is number 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is number 2. So this one is going to get 2 bills. So 1 and 2. Okay, next one is a 6. This is 6 here. 1, 2. And then this one here is another 6. So 1, 2. This one is another 6. Oh my gosh, I don't think I shuffled those cards very well. This is a 6. Oh my gosh. Ace. Okay, this will be 1. And these little cards have cute little sayings on them, and if I remember, I'll try to read them out to you. All right, so this is number 3. This says focus on the positive moments in each day. So this is number 3. So it's going to get 2 bills. All right, this is 3 again. It says don't let anyone dull or sparkle. 2 bills. Then this one is direction is more important than speed. This is an ace, so this will be 1. All right, this is number 2, dare to be yourself, and this is getting $2. This is an ace, it only takes 1 person to make a difference. This is getting 2 bills. Come on, we need 4 and 5. 2, not all who wander are lost. I might have to cheat if I don't get any 4 or 5. Okay, 2, be happy, be bright, be you. 2 bills. Ace, it's just a cute picture of Miss Boop there. 3, you are in charge of your happiness. Ain't that the truth? You are in charge of your happiness. 6, they told me I couldn't, and that's why I did. You go, Betty Boop. 4, go the extra mile. It's never crowded. Finally. Okay. 5, act now. Your future self will thank you. 2. All right. 5, are you ready to boop, 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 a doop? Are you? She's so cute. Okay, don't give up. The start is always the hardest. Number 4. All right. Number 4 again, live in the moment. 2 bills. Number 4 again, every great achievement was once impossible. All right, let's see. Number 5, don't call it a dream, call it a plan. Okay. Number 5 again, be positive and the rest will follow. 2 bills. And then is number 3, life isn't perfect, but your accessories can be. I'm just gonna put the last 3 here. All right, so here we go. These are all the cute little cards. Miss Boop. And I'll just set those here. And then I will set these aside and we can go over them. And I'll let you know who they're all from. And I forgot a pen, so I'm gonna have to go grab one. So hold on a second, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I have a pen here, so actually let's go ahead and count the money first. Actually, let me tell you who the challenge is from first. This one is from my girl Cashing In with Shelly. This is for her 600 subscriber freebie giveaway that she has in her coffee shop. So thank you for 600 subscribers, and this is going to be $1 each, so 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So we say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So let's mark off 14 of these. All right, there's 14 there. All right, so next one is, oops, this little runner is getting all messed up. The next one is from Hannah Budgets, and I'm gonna say $45 with this one. So let's see how much we saved. Okay, so 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So 22, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And then if we have extra, we'll put it in here. So we'll put that there. All right, next one up is another one from Cashing In with Shelly for her 600 subscriber giveaway. So this is gonna be $1 each, so 4, 8, 12, 16, so 20. So I'm sure we have more than 20 here. This one got a lot of money, so yay. Let's see how much we got in total. 10, 25, 7, 9, 31, 33, 34, and 35. So we only needed 20, so this is extra. We'll put that there. And then what I will do is, this is 20. I'm gonna color in these off camera, and then when we see it at the end, it'll be all colored in. So I'll do that. All right, so this one's completed, so we'll leave that there. Okay. Then this next one is from King Budgeter, and this is the Secret Budgeter's hubby. So go check him out. Go subscribe to his channel, watch his videos, show some love and support, like his videos so that his videos can get out into the YouTube algorithm and that his channel can grow. Secret Budgeter, she's awesome, and he is awesome too. I saw a few of his videos. And he has this in his coffee shop for free. He's got a lot of cute challenges in there, so go check it out and show him some love. So this one is going to be how much is this going to be? This is going to be $5 each, so I'm going to save 20 with this one. So let's see how much we saved. Let's see how much we saved. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Perfect. So I'm just gonna mark these off. And this is gonna be 20. Look, Snoopy is so cute. Super duper uber cute. I love Snoopy. He reminds me of my baby Jack, who's coming over here right now from the other room. I left the door open, so he should be coming in here. All right, this one is from Ellie Bear Budgets, and this one is going to save me $20. So let's see how much we saved with this one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so we have 12. So 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we need $8 more left, so I'm just gonna pull it from here. 5, 7, and 8. So 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So I'm gonna go ahead and mark the rest of them off. And this is 20. Coolio. So there's that one. And then this last one is also from King Budgeter. It's part of the other sleeping challenge that I had, and this is going to be $20 as well. I'm doing $5 each heart. So let's see. Ooh, we got a big $20 bill right here. So let's see. 20, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40, 42. Wow. I just needed 20. So let me put that there. So let me mark these off. This is 20. Yay, yay, yay. These are all completed. Of course, I didn't bring any paper clips because you know me, never ever ready. Okay, so this one, how much do we have? 5, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. And then we'll take 32, 34, and then $35, and then I'll do another 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alright, so that's 10. Okay, cool. So let's make sure we have 45. 10, 15, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 30, 2, 4, 6, 8, 40, 2, 4, and 5. 45 total. Perfect. Okay, so we can go ahead and mark all these off. And oops, we saved 45. Perfect. Okay, I'll put this under these because okay, and then this one we are missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6. Perfect. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. And that is what we needed to complete this challenge. So 20. Perfect. So there we go. Let me bring this over here, and I wanted to color in those little hearts if I can find it. Here it is. I wanted to color in these little hearts, so I will be right back. Okay, now I know some of you like to see coloring, so I'm gonna color the last 4 on camera. So here we go. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Valentine's Day is my favorite holiday because of course of the hearts and the red and the love, and you know, I just feel like love should be all year round, not just around the holidays or Valentine's Day. But I just love all the red and the hearts. You know, and of course the love that people show each other, whatever relationship. It could be a friendship like Valentine's Day, it could be your husband and wife, your boyfriend, girlfriend, you know, whatever, you know, whatever the case may be. But so yeah, so I hope you all had a nice one. And I wasn't able to get hardly any videos out this month, but it, you know, it's okay. It is what it is. And I'm doing one now, so that's all that matters. So here we are. Here's the $20 for it. And so I'm going to put that there. And then this is just something that I used to color on, so it won't go through. As you saw, it bled through. But anyway, so here we go. So $145 saved today with these challenges. Thank you everyone for creating such beautiful challenges. I appreciate it. And I thank you all for watching. If you made it to the end, please leave a pink heart. Thanks for watching. Bye.